Here's an unusual knife. It's the first one I've ever seen. It's a Ted Nugent marked knife. It's got the name Ted Nugent. It's an alox 84mm lumberjack model in black alox. The lumberjack has the one main blade, the combo tool, which is a bottle opener, can be used as a can opener and a screwdriver, and then the wood saw. That's the third tool and the only other tool on this knife. It doesn't have a key ring. I don't know if it was a special order advertising or whatever, but it is a Ted Nugent marked lumberjack in black alox. Thanks for watching.